Hey guys, this is Josh Kate. Now guys, before you guys start, I would like to say this video is for the most elite mathematicians. In other words, Brian and Callian. Callum, if you want to join in, just come along. Actually, to be fair guys, any of you can come along, but be prepared to not understand some of the stuff that comes ahead. So I'm going to be doing a past paper, from the British Olympiad, and not just any past paper, but a special past paper, which has sentimental value to me. Mainly because this is the paper I actually did in the exam, while you guys had to do games in it's funny guys, because if I remember in the fourth year, it was March exams. Just like how it's November exams, it was March exams. It was on a Thursday, like how I'm filming now on a Thursday. And remember in fourth year we had games on a Thursday? Yep, I got to miss games while you guys had to do that because I was in the Math Olympiad. I was with Shomik from the year below, who appears to be better at me than math. To be fair, I am better than the top in the next year. So, not math and age do not correlate positively when it comes to the top individuals. Like Shomik can beat me. I guess he must be like a math prodigy or something. Seems pretty smart. Yeah. Now I'm gonna do a paper. I'm gonna do the first two questions mainly because the third question I didn't get full marks on it because in the Olympiad there are 6 questions. You are asked to answer 3 in detail, 2 or 3 in detail, rather than do all 6. I did 3 in detail, but I could have done 4 in detail because the third question was very controversial and I got the marks, but I lost 1 mark because I confused my reasoning. I got the right answer, but I just explained it terribly, so I lost the mark. But I'm going to go through the first 2 questions because those were the least controversial. So I'm going to write those questions down. It was the Hamilton paper from the UK Maths Trust. Yeah, all rights go to them. Yeah. Actually, I'm going to change the variables. I'm going to change the variables just so it has nothing to do with their question, because I don't want to have issues like copyright and stuff. Q plus 1 times W plus 1 is going to equal 20. Yeah, so you have this equation. QW is equal to 10. Q plus 1 times W plus 1 is equal to 20. What is the value of Q plus 2 times Y plus 2? That's the first question. The second question, now you have a triangle. I'm going to get to, yeah guys, I'm going to bring this up maximum size. So this is question 1. Okay, I'm going to be doing 2 videos, guys. One video is just showing you the questions, and I want you to see if you guys can have a go at solving it. And then I'll do an answer session, and I'm going to get a paintbrush open. That would do. This one's going to do. Yeah, so now I'm going to draw a triangle. This triangle is meant to be equilateral, guys. I'm not gonna draw it yet. I'm gonna draw there's a circle inside it. Okay, and how am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this? I'm gonna just draw a school. Okay, I've got it finally. I'm going to change the question slightly so that I can draw it better with the software I have available to me. I'm gonna put it inside a square, like how I did the Calianic square in that other video which you guys watched. There we go. And there's a triangle that goes through this. So this is gonna work out. Okay, I guess I know that. How am I gonna get that perfect 180 degrees angle? I don't know. I'm gonna get that. But okay, but guys, remember in the real paper there's no square like this in the little triangle for that. That looks alright to me. And then I'm gonna draw a line like that. And yeah. You know, I'm gonna do this. I can't undo it, it's so weird. Oh, okay. Okay guys, this is my third attempt. I'm gonna rush this attempt, guys. I'm gonna rush it a bit. Okay, that's my best drawing of this question so far. It's so good I'm gonna save this image because I don't want to lose it. Image. There we go. Yeah, now this is a question. I need to label this, and I'm gonna label this with different letters just for copyright reasons again. B is there, and J is there. Prove. No, I'm gonna change those letters. I think it should be J and H. No, J and K, because it's JK here. Just to make more sense. Okay. Yep. Now the area, what you need to prove, this is a good thing. Okay. Area of, what goes on top? What goes on top? It should be K. Area of K. Circumference of K. It should be right, you guys. It's area of A, circumference of A. Area of B. Perimeter. Center that place. And goes about there. Put the lines in, guys. Put those lines in. Yep. Yep. And an equal sign in between. Okay, guys. So the question is, prove that the area of K is over the area of B. What? No. I'm so terrible today. That's area of J, man. Terrible. J. Yeah, so guys, you get the point. You gotta prove that, you know, I got a bit of that F off cut there. Yeah, place the J, and there we go. Okay, so you need to prove that the area of K divided by the area of J is equal to the circumference of K divided by the perimeter of J. So that's the question, guys. You have that, and you have this. These are the two questions. The two questions, two of the three questions I answered, and these are the two questions I got full marks on, which is why I'm doing a video on them. I'm also going to throw in a bonus question that I didn't do in the exam, mainly due to timing reasons, because I was trying to check my work so much. So yeah, this is Q. Okay, this is question 1, guys. Remember that. And oh, so just remember that there. And prove is the key thing here. Prove area K equal that. And yeah, you just gotta work this out. This is question 2, the one I answered. This one took me about, I had 2 hours to do this paper, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I had 2 hours. I did this first question in about 10 minutes. So that's how easy this question is. This question took me another 20 minutes. The last question took me about 40 minutes, maybe even 1 hour, because I was just thinking about its controversy. So I will go through the solutions later and how I did in that exam. Please don't watch this if you are actually going to do these past papers, because you might get the answers, at least in the next video. And I'm going to do a third question, guys. Keep that there so it isn't blocking too much. Okay, and I'm going to do one I didn't do in the exam, which doesn't look that hard. It just seems a bit nifty on the algebra side. It's gonna be this. Yeah, this is gonna be a 3-part series. Josh K's Math Olympiad series past paper that I actually did in the exam. Okay, I'm gonna have to change these names a bit. When Bob enters the room, the mean age increases by 4 years. When Jill will enter the same classroom, I'm changing the word slightly, the mean age will increase by a further 3 years. Both of these two people are the same age, and they both go through at the same time. How many people were in the room before Bob? That is the question, guys. I want you guys. Yes, these. Oh, I keep on missing a good, a little bit bigger. This is good. So these are your 3 questions, guys. Question 1 over here. 1. Question 5. Please note it's question 5 and not anything else. Yeah, I'm not doing question 3 because it's controversial. I can do that in a different video with you guys. Question 2, put it in big font. There we go, guys. These are your questions. Question 1, question 2, and question 5. That good. I'll put it on one screen like this. No, I'm sorry guys, I've just been terrible at organizing my desktop. This is how I should have done it. Should have done it like this. And there we go. Okay, guys, that should be So you've seen the questions, copy them down onto your notepad. See if you can solve them for yourself. I am going to go through a video very soon. The next one is going to be the solutions to these 3 questions. Yeah, I'm going to go through a video on how I completed them and the comments I was given. I think I was given a spelling question in this paper because I spelled this as PH instead of F. And no, I wasn't referring to the acidity of a substance, no. Yeah, so guys, have a go at these papers, and these will help you out when it comes to your math challenge. Well, not really the math challenge, but the math Olympiad specifically. So you can get that special medal you get. Did I get a bronze for the Olympiad? I know I got a gold for the challenge, but I'm not sure what I got. I don't think I got a merit. I may have got a merit, I don't know. I don't think I ever got a merit. But yeah, question 5, I didn't attempt, but I'm leaving it open to you guys mainly because of the time. But it seems a very algebraic question, which I would have gone for in the exam. There's a bit of logic on this one, if I remembered. Yeah. I think you can multiply the brackets out or something, and then subtract and do stuff like that. Yeah, you guys get what we're at. So, please, just come along, do this, and yeah, you gotta work out a couple of stuff to get through this, but this is an easy question. This is easy. It was easy. Yeah, this is really easy, but this, you needed a bit of... I used Pythagoras to get this done, but yeah, please, guys, have a go at these questions. I will be doing them myself, Josh K. And yeah, please, have a go. It's gonna be fun. Oh, and post your answers in the comments, and how you got to them. And if you lie and post you post just the mark scheme, I will believe that you were telling the truth, and you will get the credit as though you had actually done it. So that's a thought. That's a thought. But yeah, I'm gonna go through the mark scheme with you guys after I've shown you how I did these questions. Then I'm gonna go through question 5. With you guys without having done it in the exam room before, and yeah, so please watch those next videos, guys. Stay tuned.